Jessica Goins with First Chance for Children. I would like to welcome you to the October's kit. This month, we are doing a Creatures kit, and inside of the kit, there's an instructional sheet with different things that are involved in this kit. I have my helpers with me. I have my daughter, Aaliyah, and Deja. And in this kit, you're going to see a book. You may not have this exact book, which is called Room on the Broom. There are different Halloween books that are featured in this kit, but this happens to be the book that was in the kit that I have. You also have what's in your Ziploc bags, which are paint. This is dry paint. In order to get the paint to work, you're going to need to add and mix with it a few teaspoons of water and a drop or two of dish soap, and that will get your paint all mixed up, and then you'll be ready for painting. We did it this way this month. That way it wouldn't be so messy, or the paint will spill. However, this is paint. You will have to mix it for your kiddos in order for them to use it. Then in the kit, there's a pumpkin. You may have orange, you may have white, but it's also for decorating. You have a little monster. This monster can go on adventures with you. Scavenger hunt. In your packet, you will see information about a scavenger hunt. You could take your little monster friend on that hunt with you, and you can also name it. So I'm going to get my girls started on an activity. I have Aaliyah, who is going to be doing a game. It's a counting game. It's a monster counting game, to be exact. So I will have her do this, and then Deja is going to create a pumpkin. So in your instructions, you will see she's going to be doing this one right here. And so, girls, you can go ahead and get started. So Deja is going to first start off with ripping her paper, working on fine motor skills. And as I say in all my videos that I do each month, the point of doing these activities with your kiddos is to just have fun. So the way that I do it with my girls may not be how you do it with your kids, and that is perfectly fine. The point is to have fun and enjoy your time together. So Deja, you can start ripping it. And then she has glue that she's going to glue it on with. And then scissors. If your kiddos are good with cutting, you can use scissors. If they're not good, you can help them and introduce it. It helps with fine motor skills. And so I'm going to give this to Deja. If she chooses to use scissors, she can do that as well. For the dice game, we happen to have a pair of dice laying around the house. So Aaliyah is going to use the dice that we have. But in the kit is a cutout or a dice that which you can cut out and use this as well. And so the purpose is to just roll it, see what number you get, and then have the kiddos count it out to you and let you know. So Aaliyah, I'm going to give you a dice, and you can roll it and see what you get. What did you get?
3.
3. So she has 3 on the dice. So she's going to take 3 eyes. In your kit, you're going to find loose googly eyes, and you're also going to find sticker eyes. It's your choice. You can use both. You can use one. You can use the other. It's perfectly fine. So, Aaliyah, if you use these, you need to borrow glue from your sister. If you use the stickers, you can just stick them on. So you can go ahead and do that. Deja, how's your pumpkin coming along?
Good.
Good. So I want you all to remember, like, as I said before, the purpose of these kits is to simply have fun and play with your kiddos. There are so many different activities in this kit. It was hard to choose. So I told them to go ahead and pick one that they like, but really they want to do them all. For the purpose of the video, we're going to keep it simple and just do a couple. All right. So Aaliyah chose, she got 3 stickers, eyes, and she chose to put one here, and one on the feet. How silly is that? But it is a monster. All right, Aaliyah, roll again. She got 3 again. So she's going to put them 3 on. And if you're working with older kiddos, you can have them add that on, and then they can count how many eyes they have in total. So put your 3 on. Deja, how's it coming along? Can I help you?
Yes.
So I'm going to help David tear here. The pieces can be all different sizes. It's not meant to be perfect. It's meant to have fun and be creative. So as Deja continued to work on that, we're going to go back here to Aaliyah, and she stuck her other 3 stickers on. So Aaliyah, can you count how many eyes you have for me?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And so she counted 6 eyes. 3 plus 3 is 6. And so a way that you can help one of your older kiddos do this is have them do the 1-to-1 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and point to each one as they count. That's really going to help them in doing that 1-to-1 counting instead of rope counting. And rope counting is simply saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on and so forth. This helps them identify with each eye that they put on by doing the 1-to-1 counting. So awesome, Aaliyah. You did great. So, Aaliyah, would you like to get started on your ghost?
Yes.
Okay. And so, Deja, do you need help with your pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yes. Is it okay if your sister helps you finish that before we go on to the ghost?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Aaliyah, can you help her? And I will help her too. So, here, this is just showing how if you have more than one kiddo, you can do more than one activity at a time. And then to encourage them to work together. If one needs help, if not, that's fine. The other, you can go on to another activity or save it for another day. In this case, Deja is working on her pumpkin. Aaliyah finished her game, and so now they're working together to get the pumpkin finished. So that is very good teamwork. They used their words, they were kind about it, and they're gonna finish this pumpkin here, this paper plate pumpkin. I'm gonna here help and do the stem for the pumpkin. And we have all different, you have different papers. You have black, orange, green, and white in your kit. Pumpkin can be any color you want. As you can see, the pumpkin in our kit, it's not orange, it's white. So the pumpkin Deja's creating, her paper plate pumpkin, it's orange. So it's okay if your child wants to cover the whole bottom of the pumpkin black, that's fine. The purpose is for them to be creative in their own ways. So here's your little stem if you would like to pull your stem on. And then we can find, where's the scissors? Can I borrow the scissors, please?
Yeah. You can.
And so then we're going to cut some eyes out here. And the eyes, they don't have to be the traditional triangle. They can be any shape. But this too helps with recognizing shapes and learning the concepts of shapes. And you can go even farther by counting the points on the shapes. So like a triangle, it has 3 sides. So it has 3 points. All right. All right, girlies. We're giving it a wavy mouth. And for the purpose of this video, we could go on and on and on and decorating our pumpkin here. But I'm going to have the girls move on and demonstrate how to do a ghost really quick. And so for the ghost, in your kit, you're not going to find dryer sheets. But if you have dryer sheets, old used dryer sheets, you can use a dryer sheet. And so they each will get a dryer sheet. And then you can use tissue, you can use balled up toilet paper, you can use paper towels. Here I have Kleenexes that I'm going to give both of the girls. I'm giving them 2 apiece. So Aaliyah, here is your dryer sheet. And Deja, there's your dryer sheet. There's your 2 tissues, and there's your 2 tissues. And so for this, I'm going to have them ball up their tissue. So ball up your tissue. Ball up your tissue. And then take your dryer sheet and put the tissue in it. And drape it across. Perfect. And so in your kit, you will find pipe cleaners. There's different color pipe cleaners that you can use. You can also make a monster headband using these pipe cleaners. But since I have 2 girls, there's 1 pink pipe cleaner. They both are going to, wherever I did with the scissors. Where's the scissors, guys?
Right there.
Okay, it blended in with the green paper. How silly of me. I'm going to cut this in half, and then they each will get a piece of a pipe cleaner, and they're going to wrap it around their ghost. So, wrap those around your ghost. And then when they're done wrapping that around, they can stick a couple of eyes on there, and they will have a scary ghost. And this ghost you can hang from your house, or you can do whatever with. So this month, as I said, we have the Creatures Activity Kit with a whole bunch of different activities that you can do. The purpose of these kits is to have fun and enjoy it. Spend time with your kids. As the weather outside is beautiful, you can take these activities outside. There's chalk. You can make a ghost chalk using black paper. It doesn't matter. The kit is for you to interpret it the way you choose to do so, but simply have fun. So As we wrap up this video, remember this is October's Creatures Kit. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got some new ideas from it, but at the same time, and most importantly, I hope you have fun with it. I want to thank you again, and I'm Jessica with First Chance for Children.